have the Umarex Surgemax, and we're gonna challenge ourselves today. We're doing open sights. It's been a little while since we've shot with open sights, huh, Edmund? We usually have a scope on it, so we're gonna see how we do with open sights. Again, this is the Umarex Surgemax. It's a 177 cal. We're shooting the field target trophies, and they're 8.64 grains, so we've got our little buck set up down there, the Umarex pop-up target, so go ahead, Edmund. Nice. And then we just pop it back up and it's ready to shoot again. That's pretty handy. You did well. You said you didn't think we'd be able to hit it with the open sights, huh? Nice. What?
I don't think I'm hitting.
Oh, I see you got the ring that time. Oh man, got the ring again. Oh, 2 out of 5. That was a lot of fun with the Umarex drop shot deer target. This is the Umarex Surgemax. I'm Airgun Angie.
I'm Edmund.
Thank you, Umarex, and thank y'all for watching. We'll see y'all next time.